Crazy when the guys are gone. So.
Busog ko. Gutom ko.
Parang bata. I mean, things I know how to say.
Antok ko. Antok ko.
Toddler.
My Scarlet.
It's alright.
Toddler.
It's okay. You'll learn.
Absolutely. You're not gonna sleep soon.
I don't know. Why?
Because you guys are tired.
Yeah, but you know, we have to wait. Right.
No?
Yeah. I thought it's supposed to be that way, right? You can't sleep. Like, you know.
I think you can. We always sleep.
Yeah?
Normally at nighttime we're hyper. So but in the morning we
You sleep all day like that.
at nighttime.
Manang.
People call my sister Manang.
Really?
Yeah.
How old is your sister?
22. Yeah.
So old.
You're not old.
It's alright, it's alright. Like my age now.
Yeah.
And how I am.
Yeah, you don't look dead. You're ridiculous. I can't believe it.
No
Everyone
way.
else like, what? Your mom?
Yeah. This one's like 8 years old. He's so cute. And very smart. And he thinks well.
Really?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Really proud of him. He's very sweet. Sweet. Sobrang sweet lang. Cassie! Okay ka na?
Okay ka? Yung ano na lang, dapat matapos ko yung mga gamot ko. Kasi napako ako, di ba?
Ano yan?
Antibiotic po siguro. Sinakpan nila eh.
Alam ko every ilang daw hours.
Si kuya na lang daw magsasabi
Kung kailan.
Oo. Tapos everyday, lakad sila.
You didn't take the try today?
No.
No? How come?
Opo.
Huh?
Tired. Busy.
Crazy.
Sorry. Yeah.
She's worried about her eye, but that's
why she's sleeping?
yeah, that's why she wants to sleep already. Like, you know, I want to get rid of her.
What is it? A sore?
I don't know.
Kahit wag na ako sumama siguro. Hindi na ako sasabay ko. Bukas na ako ng gamot. Hihina na ako na nakatayo.
Is it?
Tired.
Yeah, here too.
Kailan binuksan ito? Hindi naman to bukas kanina.
Tulog ako kanina. Kailangan ko na rin.
Shoot, yeah. Wait ka lang, Cassie.